Welcome back to a new video. This video is going to be about bag of words. This video is going to be one of the videos that I create for my natural language processing with Python playlist. I will be adding its link in the cards of this video. Let's start coding. In the bag of words model, the main idea is to represent a document as an unordered set of words, ignoring the order and structure of the word in the text. So think it like we have a sentence like this is a simple example, and then in the bag of words model it's going to be like 1 1 1 1 and 1, since they all appeared once in here, so it's going to be an array like this. So we can start our tutorial right now. We are going to import NLTK, and we are going to import count vectorizer from scikit-learn.feature extraction, the text import count vectorizer, and after that I'm going to create a sentence like this is an example of like tutorial, and we can say something like I think this example will be good. After that, what I'm going to do is also we can change this as sentences since there's two sentences. Okay, I'm going to tokenize the sentences, so I'm going to say tokens, and it's going to be nltk.word tokenize sentences. After that, what I'm going to say is I'm going to call the tokens, and we can see that this is an example of tutorial. I think this example will be good. Okay, after that I'm going to initialize the count vectorizer like vectorizer is going to be count vectorizer. Then I'm going to call something like BoW, bag of words representation, and it's going to be vectorizer that fit transform, and I'm going to give the sentences, and at the end I'm going to say to array like this. And after that I'm going to call the BoW representation like this, and it's going to be like 1 1 2 1 1 1 1 2 1 1. Okay, so here we got our array. Great. We can just change the sentence in here, like we can say, let's use like I want to visit London as soon as possible because I heard that London is a great place. So after running that, I'm just going to press the run all button, and here we are going to see that our representation is going to change like this 2 1 1 1 etc 2 1. So that was all for the coding part of this video. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sharing 2 or 3 new videos every week about data science and Python programming. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I have a playlist named Natural Language Processing with Python. You can reach to that playlist from the cards of this video. See you in the next tutorial.